elbow. Bring the hand back, and 1, 2, bring it back over there. 1, 2, 3, resist. Wow, how's that?
That's amazing. That really is something.
All right, Synergy Wellness, Chiropractic and Physical Therapy, taking care of John here, Big John. John's got some elbow pain from what?
I guess
cracking some skulls. No?
Yeah, cracking some skulls. No, doing some jujitsu. This
Okay.
joint heavy. Everyone's always trying to rip this arm apart with the dish.
Yeah.
So unfortunately, one day just something cracked and I can't really open it.
Okay, so he can't open it. So typically, what we do for an injury like this is get a machete and just chop the arm off and just call it a day.
Sounds like good science.
But we're not going to do that today. We're going to actually we're going to check his elbow joint, and we're going to check the integrity of the joint, and we're going to muscle test the joint, and I'll show you how we do that right now. Go ahead and lay on your back. By the way, I hope you all like my monkey pants. I got these in Thailand, so don't make fun of my pants here. Which elbow is it again? It's that elbow? All right, so we get on that side. All right. Do you have any shoulder problems on this side?
No.
No? Yeah. You sure?
Yes.
That didn't sound too convincing. He's
I
a
got
tough guy.
I got problems everywhere.
I can only fix a few of them. I can't guarantee I can fix all of them here. Especially the emotional problems. Just kidding. So he's a tough guy here. So when he says, he kind of hesitated when I said, do you have any shoulder problems? We're going to test the shoulders. So go ahead and put your arms out. Good. And I'm going to push down. Resist me. 1, 2, 3, resist. Come on. You can't resist me more than that.
Go.
You're a big guy. You're bigger than me. Come on. Ready?
Go.
1, 2, 3, resist. Good. Okay. Any pain? Okay, good. Now, palm out. Lock the elbow as best you can. And 1, 2, 3, resist. Good. 1, 2, 3, resist. That was a little weak. Okay, relax there. Now you're going to press your elbow into my leg, and I'm going to open the hand up. You ready? 1, 2, 3, resist. Any pain? Okay, you'll tell me if you even have a little bit, right?
Yes.
You got to make sure when you get tough guys like this, you got to make sure that even if, because some people have a high threshold for pain, so you really have to keep a look at their eye, and then also we're testing the muscle to see if it's weak, if the joint's weak, not only pain, but weakness. So you're going to bring the hand back. I'm going to push in, resist me. Ready? 1, 2, 3, resist.
Yes.
That, really?
Yes.
That hurts?
Yeah.
Right away it hurt.
Right here.
Okay, right away, this is the radial head test, and he had an injury to his radial head in the past, so I'm not surprised that tested positive. I didn't even need to press. Now we're going to check the ulnar head. 1, 2, 3, resist.
Yeah.
That hurts too?
Same area.
Okay.
Yes.
So normally we would laser the elbow and all the soft tissue in the elbow, either before or after the adjustment, doesn't matter. But I'm not going to bore you with that because that takes about 5 to 10 minutes. But we're going to go ahead here and adjust his elbow. All right, relax yourself here. Relax here. Relax here. Your joint is really locked up here. So I may have to get in here with a sledgehammer. You okay with that? No,
Go
I'm just
for it.
kidding. We're not going to do a sledgehammer just yet. We're going to go ahead and test this here. Ready? Resist me. Ready? Bring that hand back. And 1, 2, 3, resist. Still hurt?
A little better.
A little better?
Yeah.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, resist. Hold on a second. I'm going to get a tool here to adjust you. It's also hard for me to get leverage with that wall right there. Okay.
amazing. That really is something.
Go ahead and try to straighten it for me.
It feels better.
But that's from you broke it. You
Yes.
broke your radial head. So you may not get full range of motion there. Let's check your ulnar head. You may not be able to open it up completely because you broke it. You never had it fixed when you should have. Ready? 1, 2, 3, resist. Any pain there? All right. Awesome.
What kind of magic is that? That's amazing.
Thanks for tubing in.